Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel, where you are going to learn how to make money on YouTube. Today, I will give you 3 simple methods to earn money with your channel. But first please, subscribe, like, and share. Also, check the links down below to start earning tons of money right now. The first way is adding ads to your videos. It's easy and fun. You can go to ClickBank, create an account for free, choose one product, copy and paste. See how fast you're gonna start earning money. The second way is selling merchandise to your awesome subscribers. One example is dropshipping with Printful for free. Just use your imagination and start with t-shirts or digital products. The third way to make money on YouTube is with brands. They will pay you thousands to promote their products. Check impact.com. Apply for a partner account and start earning a pretty good amount of money right away. Super easy. I hope you like this video and stay tuned for more content like this. Thank you for watching.